I'll guide you through how to cancel a pending PayPal payment on desktop and mobile, what options you have if there is no cancel button, and refund processing timelines. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. A PayPal transaction shows as pending or unclaimed primarily when it has been sent to an email address or phone number that is not registered to a verified PayPal account, or when the recipient has not yet accepted the payment. You can cancel a payment directly if it is marked as unclaimed or pending because the recipient hasn't set up or verified their account. But you cannot directly cancel a completed transaction, a cleared bank transfer, or an e-check already in flight. To cancel via a desktop, log into your PayPal account on your web browser. Click on the Activity tab in the top navigation bar. Scroll through your recent transactions to locate the payment labeled as pending or unclaimed. Click on the transaction to open the payment details. Click the Cancel or Cancel Payment link underneath the payment details. Click Cancel Payment on the pop-up prompt to confirm. To cancel via the PayPal mobile app, open the PayPal app on your iOS or Android device. Tap the Wallet or Activity tab at the bottom menu. Tap the pending payment transaction to view its details. If eligible, tap Cancel Payment and confirm your request. If the payment status does not display a cancel option, it means the recipient has already accepted the payment or their account automatically accepts incoming transfers. In this case, contact the person or merchant directly and request that they issue a refund from their PayPal account. Unclaimed payments sent to unregistered accounts are automatically cancelled by PayPal after 30 days, and the funds are returned to you. If you paid for goods or services and the seller is unresponsive or uncooperative, you can file a buyer protection dispute. Once a pending payment is cancelled, the refund timeline depends on your original payment method. Payments made via PayPal balance are returned to your account balance instantly. Refunds to a linked bank account take 3 to 5 business days to clear. Card refunds take 3 to 30 business days depending on your card issuer's billing cycle. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.